Welcome to Free Will Investing. Today we're going to be going over the chop zone. The chop zone is pretty simple. If it's red, that means it's on a downslope trend, and if it's in a lighter color, that means it's on an upslope. And yellow is kind of like in between, and the same thing with any like halfway color is kind of in between, and the other colors that are close to the darker are all down. And now it gets this by deciding the how close it is to the moving average of 30. So if it's above the moving average of 30, it's going to be going in an uptrend. If it's below the moving average of 30, then it's going to be in a downtrend. And it kind of shows you where you are compared to that moving average. So it's kind of just a different way of looking at the moving average and gauging how specifically close it is. Blue is kind of the highest, green is kind of like a midway point, dark green's a little bit lower, and red's the absolute lowest. This dark red is the absolute lowest that it'll go for it. But you get a decent amount of pips this way. Sometimes you'll always miss the bottoms and the tops, like pretty much every single time, just about. Like right here, it didn't. But that was only because it just came out of a ranging market. But a lot of times you will. Like right here, you totally miss this bottom, but not by a lot. You miss it by a little bit, and then you go straight into this ranging market once again. But then right here, you get down, 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 and then you get the upswing right here. So it really works well on a trending market if you're used to using. I use absolute closes before I ever enter into a trade. But you can see right here, this is a lot of pips right here. I'm looking at a daily chart, and if you're just a amateur investor, this is perfect. I mean, if you go all the way down to see right here, if you just exit out of the first red at the end of the day, that's 418 pips in 71 days. So that's a little bit over 2 months, but 418 pips. That's like quadrupling whatever your original investment is. So if you only invested $100, you got 200, you got 400 right there. If you reinvest, I mean, so I mean it's pretty good. It works pretty well. Oh wait, no, that'd be 41. So a little less than that, but it'd be pretty close. It's still a decent amount. My math was a little bit off on that one. So if we go down from here to, oh wait, no, that's right. It'd be 200. It'd be 200. I was, but if we go down to here, if you had $100 investment using a 50-to-1 leverage, and we got out at the end of the day over 78 days, it'd be 689 pips. So it'd be $68 per lot size. And if you had five micro lots, which would be $100 with a 51, that would be $300. So it's not bad because that's times it by three. It's a three over investment, 300% investment in just 78 days. So it's pretty good money. And we can continue going on with more and more examples. We'll show you a couple other ones. Let's look at this one because this one didn't absolutely work out. We'll see if we got a loss in this one, just out of curiosity. So if we got it right here at the up, and then just went to this down, we still would have got a small little pip value of 22. I mean, that probably would have been eaten up. But I mean, the losses aren't really too outstanding with the chop zone indicator. Like when you do get losses, it's not really all that bad. And we can see right here, boom. So we would have got out of that trade up top if we would have exited the daily. That'd be 334 pips right there for 53 days. So that would be another, it'd be over 100% return of your initial investment again. All this time when you're getting 100% your investment over and over and over again, that adds up really fast. So the chop zone is definitely not an indicator you want to sleep on if you just want easy trades. This is definitely an easy way to do it if you're just using this to do simple trades and get in and out. All you really have to do at this point is just check it at the end of the day. I mean, look at this huge gain right here. I mean, this trend right here was massive, and it went through the whole thing until all the way up to here. And that's over 1,000. That's over 1,000. So that's over a 500% return for 160 days. Nothing to sleep on. Nothing to sleep on. If you already have a decent amount of money to invest, that's a lot of money. But that's how you trade the chop zone. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Hope you all have a great day.